Alright, so these are my new headlights for the Miata. So get rid of the old basic halogen ones. So they're holographic ones, or projection lamps with a halo LED one that you can control with your phone. So they should be pretty cool. So I'm going to get these installed on the Miata, get them all installed, and then see how they go. I hope it goes nice and easy. I don't know, because these are actual Jeep headlights, so it says that they work with the Miata, but we're going to see. Some people on the reviews saying that there's some customization basically yet to do, but it should look a lot better than the old Miata ones. Okay, what I've learned on these, the little outside ring, you take off the old one. Easiest take off one of the screws. I took off this screw just because it was easier. But it doesn't fit. It's super tight squeezed in there, so you'll see on the driver's side one I'll do it, but it barely fits in there. You can kind of see in, I'll take focus, right in here. It's little clips, so I'll show you on the driver's side one just what needs to be done, because it's actually rather difficult, because this ring doesn't really fit over these headlights that well if you guys order these specific ones that I have. But I'll show you on that one. It's way easier to take off the top too, because this part keeps on sliding underneath, making it extremely difficult to actually clip it on, so, or push it in, because it keeps getting pushed under and it will push out the bottom, kind of like that. So I'll show you on the next one. Alright, so once you get it off, take off the top cover. And set it in there. Take off one of the top screws. Get as lined up as you can. It doesn't actually fit in here very well, so we're going to have to adjust it with the adjusters later. But unscrew the screws all the way out, get two of them on, and then get the last screw in best you can. And it's going to need some adjusting, get the other two clipped on, and don't let them pop out. You're going to have to tighten them or loosen them pretty much all the way to where it's going to almost feel like it's going to pop out. And then adjust the light a little bit. That should be on pretty good. Tighten them down. And then there you go. So now they're both in. Now I'm going to wire it up and everything like that, but these, luckily, are a direct plug-in. So they just plug right in. So they have an adapter that comes with it. That's for a Jeep, so I'm probably going to take them because they don't clip together. They just kind of slide in. So probably get some electrical tape. And then this is for the LED control. So come over here. And this is the LED control. So for the lights. And then you could wire them up for turn signal. If it focuses, for turn signals and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna do the turn signals because it's a Miata and it has its own turn signals, so I don't feel like I really need to wire up the LEDs to be a turn signal. I just want them to be as they are. So I'm gonna get that wired up and go over that process. So probably just time lapse it and explain anything that's stupid. Alright, so basically you gotta run your wires. I have mine running underneath here. So this is gonna go under the bumper, basically up in here. So I just wanted it out of the way. So I ran the wires up and around, and I'm going to zip tie them all down to this one, and then they just connect here. So, but you need a power source, and in my Miata I don't have power or cruise control. So this right here, it has probably a little clip like this, and then there's this white one. This is where your cruise control would go. This has 12 volts only when the car is on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little spade clip. Not focusing. I'm just going to put it on the red one and run the wire down and around, probably following this here. This wiring grommet here. And I'm just going to plug it right in there. And then you just need to ground it somewhere. So I'm probably going to just find a ground here, right there. Undo that and then wire it down there. Probably have like an O adapter and then just wire it right down there, or maybe there's another screw or something like that, but that's all you need. But this, if you don't have cruise control, or if you're going to do a cruise control delete or anything like that, this has 12 volts and there's only one thing in there. So, and it's only on when the car's on, so that's the only time you really need the lights running. So it should work here in a second. So I'm just gonna finish up. I'll probably do a time lapse of finishing everything right now. All I do is I just pretty much cut it to fit around, and then it'll go right in, right around the screw, or the bolt basically. That way you don't have to take it completely out, and it'll be just fine as a ground. So I'm going to tighten that down and it should be all good. Alright, so have everything all zip tied up. So I have this one coming out around and follow this original one all the way around, all zip tied down. That way they're all fine. And right now I have it just zip tied down to the bumper, or the bumper brace, because I have a lot of work and a lot of things are going to come out, so I'm not going to permanently mount this, but it's pretty solid in there. It's just, it weighs nothing, so it should be perfectly fine. But that's what the new lights look like, so I'm going to get the car turned on and see how they all look. Alright, so I got the headlights in. Really liking how it's coming along. Don't worry, my car is super dirty and does need to be cleaned, but not worried about it right now. But super clean looking. I love the lights, they look so nice. Definitely recommend them. It is something getting used to, just because they don't fit perfectly in to the space on the NA, but they are super nice. They're just 7-inch Jeep lights. So, but that will do it for today. I'm going to be uploading more videos, hopefully here more often. Trying to get more things done with the car. So lights now and a few other cosmetic things before I get into the engine. Just holding off on that because I just need the space and room and time to do all of that. So all that should be coming up soon, but one more look at the car. Lime green just makes it look so nice. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, subscribe, comment if you have any like suggestions or anything like that. But hopefully I'll get more videos up here soon. Alright, thank you.